What's up guys? Coach Paulo Castro here. Samahan nyo ako mag-unbox ng mga recent packages na natanggap natin kasi marami tayong mga inattendan na events this past few days. Kaya samahan nyo ako, unbox natin sila. Let's go! First box natin is from the Truly Rich Club. Yan, shout out kay Brother Bo and sa team ng the Truly Rich Club for inviting me to be part of their community. Truly Rich Club is a community wherein they help good people to become rich people. Tumutulong sila in terms of teaching people how to invest in the stock market, how to start their own businesses, and how to expand their businesses. Pag naging part ka ng kanilang club, ito yung matatanggap mo ay isang box, no? At tingnan natin kung anong meron dito. Yan. So, first is a welcome letter. Yan. Your toolbox of abundance is here. Yan. Yan yung nakalagay dito. Kasama dito is itong mga kits. Abundance kit, tawag nila dito. Buksan natin. Alam niyo ba envelope method pag magsisimula kang mag-manage ng finances mo? So parang ganito siya. Meron din ganito, calendar. Yan. So may mga dates siya, words of